Hello, Chef here. Today I'm sharpening small knives. When I say small knives, I'm talking about paring knives, utility knives, the little ones, 3-inch, 3.5, 4-inch, 5-inch, small blades. It's most important is starting with a good quality knife. If you have the cheap junk that you get at the mass merchants, throw it away, give it away, and move up to something better quality. Like this one here, made in Japan. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. I can tell you, this knife is razor sharp. Yeah, and it's gonna hold its edge. That's quality. Now, if you don't have the quality, and you want to start with something like this, or this is a forged knife from Germany. The quality is pretty good. Riveted handle, very common knife. The problem is, people use sharpening steels, and they got different angles, they're going crazy, and they don't know what's going on. Okay, let's try this little knife on this piece of paper here. This, by the way, is a label, so it's actually 2 layers. Not cutting easily. Very jagged cut there, okay? So, to get the right angle, we use the clip, and we use a stone. This is a diamond stone. It's self-cleaning. This is made in America, the good stuff. I put the clip on the knife like this, and now when I set the knife on the sharpening stone, I'm getting the correct angle on both sides. It's pretty simple. I'm going to turn this to make it a little bit more ergonomic for myself here, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to flip it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take the clip off. I'm all done sharpening this knife. Here we go. The jagged cut, a cleaner cut. Can I get it sharper? Oh yeah. Let's do a few more. The most important thing is when I'm sharpening, I'm getting a perfect V on the blade. Both sides are exactly the same. I've got a new piece of paper here. It's definitely sharper, okay? I want to check it again. Okay? It's getting sharper. I'm going to move on to the next knife. This knife now is sharp enough. I like it. Goes back in the block. Usually I wipe it off, put it back in my knife block. Moving on to the next one here. This is one of these interesting imported, I believe it's Taiwan, I'm not sure. Chroma. It's either Japan or Taiwan, but anyway, I'm going to put the clip on. Oh, first I'll show you how dull this knife is. Cuts the paper, but there's some resistance. Alright, so we're just going to do a few strokes with this clip on here. Piece of paper. Well, it's sharper. I could get it sharper. A few more strokes. Okay? Definitely the knife is sharper. Much less resistance. So what have we learned here? We learned that we need to use a sharpening stone and the clip. Proper angle and you're good to go. It will sharpen all of these knives, small knives. The clip, by the way, from your sponsor is a 2-pack. You get a small like this and you get a large. Large is used for a larger knife like this one here. This is a 8-inch chef knife from Germany. Same deal. I would put the clip on. However, I would want to use a larger clip to get it on correctly. Yeah, so that's the good stuff right there. You can get all of these at your sponsor. And wow, it's really nice. It's the best quality. This is the type of tool you're going to keep for life. Some of these stones go for 10, 20, or 30 years. They just keep going. It's the good stuff. The plastic clip is stainless steel. It's lined with plastic. I like it, the quality. And your sponsor's got an exclusive diamond stone set and this stone set is in a cherry hardwood box. You get 3 stones. They're all 2" by 6" I believe. And you get the red one, which is 600 grit. You get the green one, which is 1200 grit, and you get the blue one, which is 325 grit. There's also an extra coarse black one. These are removable and reversible. You can move them around whatever order you like them in. If you contact the sponsor, they do custom sets for people, and that's why the black one is in here. Wow, the good stuff. Get the good stuff the first time. Oh yeah, it's gonna last. Subscribe right here. Hit up your sponsor. They got these items in stock and on sale. Oh yeah. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. So I've been using this Porsche Turbo quite a few videos and for quite a while now. I really like it. Designed by F.A. Porsche. The Turbo has the blue pearl. The pearl tells you where your hand should stop, and it also stops it in the knife block. I really like this Turbo. It's a cool knife. It's starting to lose its edge. So here, before sharpening, you can see it's resisting the paper a little bit. On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA. Only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Video, I will show you how to maintain cutting boards. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions, 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next, maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. And here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see. You get what you pay for. I don't use these. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Yeah, and that's what you get when you use a quality knife. Look at that. Wow. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. By the way, the sponsor's got an exclusive on this awesome new knife made in Japan. Butcher blocks, yeah, butcher blocks made in America. Free shipping. Wow, it's going to be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's going to be good.